Good day, everyone. I am Katin Salita, and I would like to share my insights and realization throughout this course subject. As the junior year term one started, I already expected it to be exhausting, to be as busy as I be, and honestly, the hardest year of my college life. This belief came from our seniors, and to be honest, it scared me more than it excited me. One of our major subjects is Principles and Methods of Teaching Values Education, taught by the greatest of all time herself, Professor Marte. Reflecting on my journey in this subject, I can say it was both tiring and the most impactful part of my teaching journey so far. It pushed me out of the door I was scared to open, straight into the reality of becoming a teacher. During the first weeks, we focused on the principles and methods that we needed to apply in our upcoming demo teaching. Then came the crafting of our lesson plan. Thankfully, we worked in pairs and I was paired with the most considerate and kind partner, Alex. Writing the lesson plan made me realize so much more about the responsibilities of teachers. We went through numerous revisions, such as changing activities, rewriting parts, fixing objectives, and identifying the approach that should align with the DLC and the grade level of our learners. With that, I am truly grateful for Professor Bartes' long patience while checking our work. Then came the demo teaching. It felt like the longest 1 hour of my life. I was anxious and doubting myself the whole time, but by God's grace, we did it. I passed. I also see my strength and points I can improve to myself that serves as the preparation when we handle our own classes. What struck me the most from writing the lesson plan to delivering it is that being a teacher is not an easy job. It requires passion, creativity, patience, and a genuine heart that is willing to inspire, to guide, and to grow with the learners. It made me realize that every little decision we make as teachers, whether it's an activity, a question, or even how we talk to our students, can make a huge difference in how they learn and feel. And with that, this subject taught me who I am becoming as an educator, not just someone who teaches minds, but someone who touches hearts.